Hey everyone, the countdown is on. iOS 26 is just 3 days away. This new update is bringing a major redesign with a sleek, translucent liquid glass interface, along with a ton of exciting new features that'll change the way you interact with your Apple devices. In today's video, we'll go through everything you need to know about iOS 26, from its visual overhaul to its game-changing features. Let's dive in. First up, the biggest talking point of iOS 26, the liquid glass design. This new look introduces translucent UI elements, rounded menu bars, and pop-out menus that give your device a clean and modern feel. The visual overhaul is like nothing we've seen since iOS 7, but the reception has been mixed. Some users love the fresh, sleek aesthetic, but others feel that the increased translucency impacts readability, especially in certain lighting conditions. What do you think? Is it a design upgrade, or does it go a bit too far? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about the new features that are just as exciting as the design overhaul. One of the standout additions is live translation. With iOS 26, you'll be able to translate speech in real time with your AirPods, a feature that's set to make communication in foreign languages so much easier. Also, call screening is coming to iOS 26, allowing you to screen unknown calls and easily block spam or telemarketing calls. Plus, you can now set a custom snooze duration for your alarms. No more being forced to choose between the default 9-minute snooze. Let's not forget the fun part, Genmoji. This brand new feature uses Apple's machine learning to turn your face into a personalized emoji. You can create unique animated characters that look just like you. Whether you're sending a quick message or creating a fun avatar, Genmoji is sure to become a fan favorite. So, when can you get your hands on all of these shiny new features? iOS 26 will be rolling out on September 15th, and it'll be compatible with all devices that support iOS 25, from the iPhone 12 onwards. That means if you've got an iPhone 12 or newer, you're all set to go. Another exciting part of iOS 26 is Apple Intelligence. This is a new set of AI-powered features that'll help make your iPhone smarter and more intuitive. From improved Siri commands to context-aware notifications, Apple is continuing its push to integrate AI across its ecosystem. All in all, iOS 26 is shaping up to be a game-changer for iPhones. Whether you're excited for the liquid glass design, the new live translation, or the addition of Genmoji, there's something for everyone in this update. And it's right around the corner. What features are you most excited about? Are you loving the liquid glass design or hoping for more changes? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS updates as we get ready for the official launch.